here I will share with you how you can register and participate in this wonderful contest. So here we go. So for this, you have to do very simple thing. You just need to go on Google and type national vec.org, and there you will get this website called National Value Education Contest. So on this website, as you can see on the screen, the National Value Education Contest website, you can go and get all the information related to this contest over this website. Here are the previous pictures and whole information is given on this website. You can also see the prizes which are there for all of you to win. All these prizes are there. This is the Smart Studies kit which every participant will get through courier. This is Value Education Contest book. Very wonderful, colorful book with stories and exciting study material. And also along with that, you will get Bhagavad Gita. This is the study kit for this contest. These are the steps for this contest, and all the information is there. So for registration, you just need to click on registration and you will be directed towards this registration page. Here you can select whichever level you are in. So for example, if you are the student who is in the class 5 to class 8, you need to select level 1. Students who are there in class 9 to class 12 can select level 2, and all those participants who are above 18 years, they need to select level 3. After selecting your appropriate level, you can choose any medium through which you want to attempt this. If you wish to attempt this contest in English, Hindi or Marathi, whichever language you want, you can select and you can go for registration. After clicking on the registration, after selecting the language, you will be directed towards the page where you need to fill the details. So enter your full name properly here without any spelling mistakes. Enter your address carefully along with the correct PIN code and the address details. Then enter your mobile number, email ID, and all the required details in these fields. So this will be considered for your registration. So be careful in filling these details. After this, here you will see how much the amount is there for the contest, and then you can proceed towards the placing order. Then you can order your study kit on this address. You will get your study kit and you can make the payments through various options. We have made available different options for payment also, like credit card, debit card, internet banking, Google Pay, Phone Pay, anything which you want, whichever is comfortable for you, you can select and proceed for the payment. So yeah, this is the process for getting registered for this contest. And one more thing I would like to tell all of you, and that is that just as today we had this seminar, we will be having different sessions for all you guys. All those sessions will be online and the details are given on the website. You can see on this page. And to get the details, to get the updates of these details on your mobile, you can enroll your details here, and this enrollment is there for getting the updates of the session. So please remember the details which you will fill here. Just beside this live webinar column, these details are for getting the updates. This is not for the registration. So take the note of it, and the registration is only on this tab. Okay, so from here you will get updates about the sessions, like these sessions which are going to come in the future, and through registration you can register yourself and get your study kit and Bhagavad Gita to your address delivered, and that way you can attend for the exam. If you have any queries, if you want to ask some questions, you can go on this WhatsApp icon, you can write your question and you will get feedback from here. So thank you very much. This was the process for registration. I hope all of you are going to register for this National Value Education Contest, and you also will get all these prizes, win all these prizes. Thank you very much. All the best.